Hello guys, welcome back. This is a Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. The phone is locked, so let's get straight to it. You'll need to connect to Wi-Fi to download a couple of things. Once connected, go back to the first page and take a screenshot by pressing power and volume down at the same time. When you get a storage permission message, deny it, then take another screenshot and don't ask again. Go into Settings, scroll down to Permissions, tap the search button and open Chrome. Accept and continue, no thanks to logging in, then navigate to hardreset.info. Tap the three bars, go to the download category, search for Android 7.1.2 and download the file. Once downloaded, open it, allow installation from this source, and install it. Tap Done, then search for Settings in the Download category and download it as well. Install it, open it, and you're now in the Settings menu. Scroll down to Apps, tap three dots, Show System Apps, and find Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Disable Google Play Services, then disable Google Play Store and go back. Go to Accounts and Backup, tap Settings, Hide Account, and choose Google. Log in with an existing Google account, then go back and re-enable the apps you disabled. Hold the power key, restart the device, and wait for it to boot back up. Once back on, go through the setup process, skip as much as possible, and you'll see the account you added. The setup will now allow you to progress, skip through the rest, and you'll reach the home screen. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset, and Factory Data Reset to remove all accounts and perform a full reset. Once the reset is complete, you'll see the Android setup screen again. Go through the setup and you'll notice the skip button is not grayed out, meaning the device is unlocked. You can now set up your device however you like, and everything will work as it should. The device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.